Hi friends, now we see here the next point, spring loaded accumulator. You see the working, these are the two diagrams. First spring loaded accumulator and spring type accumulator. Okay, in that first we see that it is simpler to a dead weight type expected that the piston is preloaded with the spring compressed. Figure A shows the construction features. Okay, the spring is the source of energy acting against the piston. Okay, the pressure created by this type of accumulator depends upon the stiffness and preloading of spring. Okay, the further the pressure exerted on the fluid is not constant. It is typically deliver a low flow rate of oil at low pressure. Hence, for high pressure suitable or situation, these accumulators are somewhat heavily. This type of accumulator not suitable for application demanding high cycle rate as the spring may fails. Okay, spring may fails in fatigue and loss of elasticity. This in turns with makes a accumulator incooperative. Okay, understood. The next point is gas loaded charge or charged accumulator. Okay, there are the two diagram, free contact gas loaded accumulator and PV characteristic. Okay, see the working. These are also known as hydropneumatic accumulator. These accumulators are more practically than the dead weight and spring loaded. The gas loaded accumulator works on the principle of Boyle's law of ideal gases. The storage of potential energy is due to the compressibility of gases. The expansion of gas force the oil out of the accumulator. The gas loaded accumulators are further classified as non-separate type and separate type. Okay, the figure shows a non-separate type as in the figure. Okay, the non-separated type consists an enclosure cylindrical shell having one oil part at the bottom. Okay, and a gas charging part on the top of the figure as shown in the figure. Free contact gas loaded accumulator, figure A. The oil below in a free contact with the gas above without any separation. Okay, then next point, the promoted advantages of this accumulator is then it can be handle high volume of oil, while it measure drawback in ingress of gas into oil by absorption. This type of accumulator is not suitable for system using high pressure pump and trapped gas in the oil, promotes cavitation resulting in a pump's damage. The figure B shows the variation of oil pressure versus volume of oil in the accumulator. The pressure volume characteristic of gas is governed by speed of gas compression, the expansion, and can be any of the following. Okay. The next point we can say that there is a isothermal. When the expansion and compression of the gas is extremely slow, the process is isothermal following the relation PV constant. B. Eccentrically. This process will occur at a high speed then there is no flow of heating into or out of the accumulator. The process follows the laws of PV constant where the Cp upon Cw equals to 1.4. Polytropic. In this process, the speed of the speed of the occurs in neither too fast or too slow. The process follows the law PV raised to n is equal to constant. Second point, then second separator type of accumulator. This is most commonly used type of accumulator In this type, there is a physically partition between the gas and the oil. This partition or separation along the effectively utilize of the compressibility of the gas. The separated types of accumulator are further divided into three types such as piston type, diaphragm type and bladder type. Okay, then next we can see that the piston type accumulator. The figure shows the piston type accumulator, gas loaded accumulator. This type, it consists of hydraulic housing and freely floating piston. The piston separated the gas and oil. There are major disadvantages in this: high cost and manufacturing and size restriction. The friction between the piston and seals may adversely affect the working of particularly low pressure system. The leakage past the piston is yet another problem requiring frequent precharge. Due to the greater inertia and seal friction, the accumulator are unsuitable for damaging pressure, pulsation and shock absorption. Their many advantages is that they can be handled very high or very low temperature fluid from the system. Then next point, these accumulators are oftenly incorporated with the built-in satisfy device like a safety seal. When the pressure exceeds the safety limits, end cap or ring lose their pressure seal. The variation of gas with the volume of oil in the accumulator is similar to that in the case of free contact type as shown in the figure, piston type gaseous load accumulator. Okay, then next point. Thank you for watching.